So welcome back guys, you are watching Rising Photostudio and in this video we are going to see the new AI from China which is DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is competing with various AI which is already in the market like Google Gemini, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Cloud AI and Mistral AI. It's best in reasoning and programming tasks and also it is best in solving the maths problems. So to build this AI, cost-effective approach was being used. When any AI is being made, most of the time we need a GPUs, maximum numbers of GPUs. And here just the 2000 GPUs were being used to train this AI. And here 5.58 millions were spent, which is very less than billions spent by tech companies. Unlike ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI is open source. Alright guys, and now we are just going to see how we are able to get login into this DeepSeek AI or how we can use it. For Android, you can just go for Play Store, and for the iOS also you are able to go on Apple Store. For Windows, you can just search for DeepSeek AI on the Chrome and you will get the link in description as well, or you can just search for DeepSeek, and this is the website which you can just go here and move down. So this is the score guys, you can just see DeepSeek AI score here and all other AIs also compared with them, so you can just see these scores as well. Now to use it, you can just see here start now free access to DeepSeek, so you can just click here and here is the login. You can just log in from Google, and here all these things are going to be done by Cloudflare and verification, and then you are logging into this AI using your own account. You can go with it, continue, and then you can just see the interface is similar like ChatGPT, so it is not very difficult to use it and you can use it in a proper way. You are getting your chat history, so minimize, and this tab you can just see here, so you can get the app from here. You just need to scan it over here, my profile, and here there are different settings for dark theme or for your normal theme, white theme. You can just use it. Then languages, which language, so here Chinese language is also included, I think, so we will be with the English. Everything is present over here. Now the first prompt which we are going to give, and that is give a HTML CSS button with animation using CSS. Just this is the text which I'm going to hit enter and it is going to give a response. So you can just see here's an example of a HTML button, so it is going to generate all these things, so it's fine. You are getting a CSS with it, and then you will get, yes, here hover effect is been used. We want all this HTML CSS code embedded, means only we need only one file. So I just want one file and HTML CSS embedded, and it should be previewed on the screen only, here itself only. I don't need to go inside VS Code or any other environment to run it. So let's see, you are just getting at the right at the bottom run HTML. So after clicking, you are able to preview it here itself. So this is really a great thing, which we can just check all the code over here itself. So you can just see it's running, keyframes are being added, and okay, now you can just run it here. So here I'm having this option run HTML. I'm just going to click here, and this is the screen where you are able to run it. So you can just see after hovering, this is a small animation, not a great animation, but it's fine. It is able to do it. This was the first prompt which we have just given. Now here I'm just going to give a prompt like give me a website, e-commerce website, e-commerce website, only front end we are going to talk about, only front end with CSS styled or designing with CSS design, and use, okay, this much thing we just need to do with a neighbor. We will have a neighbor, some images, and what else we can do. So we will have neighbor, we will have images and product prices. Okay, product price. Okay, and it should also preview here itself. Okay, so I just given a prompt which is just going to generate an e-commerce website with the number, and which will have images and also which will have product prices inside. Now this AI is not able to generate the images, and in future it might be generating all these things. For right now it is not able to generate the image. So alright guys, it is able to preview, and right now we are just going to directly run it and see what is the output. So this is the output, which is really okay, fine, and after giving a proper prompts, it will be generating a lot of good things for us. So this is the website. You can just see here is something like after hovering, it is just moving at the up, and all the prices are given. Obviously here we need to replace the images because images are not given here. Let's see, this is the pattern which is been built by stars, different stars we use, and we build this pattern. Right now we are just focusing on in Java playlist for different star patterns. So let's see whether it is able to give this thing or not, and whether it previews the code here or not. Yes, so it is saying that I'm not able to execute the code right over here or render over here, but I can give you the code for this. Now we need to locally run this, so we are just going to try it. So here the code is been given, and this is going to be the output. It has not run it, but this is going to be the output. So let me just copy it right here, Java compiler, and here the program is website, which is very good for this. So I'm just going to paste it directly and run it. Let me make it dark theme, and the output is in front of you. So it is able to generate the patterns as well, or create the patterns as well. So most of the things are possible with this AI, and it thinks very deeply. So this is all about DeepSeek AI, guys. If you want to try this, you can just get the link in description, or you can just download it for Play Store, and also for the Apple Store. You can just see it is available. This is all about DeepSeek AI, guys. And if you are new to this channel, please get subscribed, guys, and your support is really essential for me.